Hello everyone, welcome to Science Study. In this video, we will learn to draw some animals. First, we are drawing the dove. Now we will draw horse. Now we will draw a dog. Now we will draw a rabbit. We are drawing a rabbit. Now we will draw a cat. Now we will draw a fish. It's a fish. Now we will color them. Dove. We are coloring the dove. Now we will color the horse. We are coloring the dog. Now we will color the rabbit. Now we will color the cat. We are coloring the cat. Now we will color the fish. It's a fish. Thank you for watching.